It's hard to decide what the best thing about the Wrangler SUV is. Its distinctive design, cutting-edge features, both standard and optional, or the ultimate off-road driving experience. Changes to the upcoming model will make it even more attractive to buyers. Here's why the all-new 2025 Jeep Wrangler wows everybody. Specs. A V6 and a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine will deliver similar outputs. The 6-cylinder unit produces 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. You could still opt for a manual transmission, but it is an optional choice, while the automatic gearbox remains standard. The gas mileage of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler is not impressive, averaging 20 mpg combined. However, you can improve it slightly with the e-torque system. The mild hybrid setup can enhance fuel economy a bit, but the boost is not significant. The 2-liter Turbo 4 produces 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque and does not offer a manual transmission. An 8-speed automatic sends power to the rear wheels by default, with all-wheel drive remaining optional. Gas mileage is slightly better than with the Pentastar V6. The 4-cylinder engine returns 21 miles per gallon in the city and 24 on the highway. Wrangler VE8. If you ask car enthusiasts, the vast majority will pick a V8 engine over an electric drivetrain. It's a no-brainer. However, Jeep will deny this option for the 2025 Wrangler. The 6.4-liter V8 Hemi engine is going to the history books. Some other vehicles, such as the Ram 1500 truck, have already dropped this big drivetrain in favor of a twin-turbo inline-6 configuration. Instead of 470 horsepower, owners of this new setup are getting 540 ponies. The Wrangler is also switching to an inline-6 next year to stay competitive in the high-end class. A V8 won't return, and with it, the Wrangler 392 package will be retired. The new trim level will be built around the new powertrain. Don't expect discounts though. Wranglers with massive outputs from the new i6 engine will cost the same as old models with the Hemi V8. Wrangler 4xe plug-in hybrid. A 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine can be enhanced by electric batteries to create a mighty plug-in hybrid. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe is going to deliver 375 horsepower and cover 22 miles on electric power alone. All-wheel drive is standard for this setup. This feature and enhanced power outputs make the SUV consume more gas, so the mileage of the Wrangler's PHEV is only 20 mpg. That is one of the rare downsides you can find. On the other hand, the off-road capabilities are not harmed. The vehicle can traverse water up to 30 inches deep. Wrangler Magneto EV concept. It is not unexpected to see an electric prototype of the electric Wrangler following the debut of a plug-in hybrid. The company introduced a new project but has not provided a release date schedule. Currently, the prototype is at the 3rd stage of development, and the Jeep Wrangler Magneto 3.0 can return an impressive 350 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque. However, the standard edition will likely have a more typical output of around 285 horsepower. While announcements are big, production versions of such concepts don't deliver everything they promise. Anyhow, seeing an electric Wrangler is not a surprise, as it represents the future of the automotive industry. Will it debut in 2025? Maybe as a final concept, but we don't think production and sales are starting just yet. Supreme Off-Road King. The new Toyota 4Runner debuted with a fresh design and more efficient powertrains. The Ford Bronco is also here to challenge the off-road skills of the Jeep Wrangler. However, it is an impossible task. No other vehicle will offer you any similar experience. First of all, the Jeep Wrangler provides many engine choices to tackle all off-road obstacles. Then you can tune the ride for specific conditions with different trim levels and optional upgrades. The ultimate off-road experience comes with the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon model. It is equipped with heavy-duty axles, shorter gearing for lower ranges, and electronic locking differentials. The Rubicon X adds extra features, so the Rubicon is a versatile off-roader, while the Wrangler Sahara model is designed for more desert riding. Jeep is taking the game to another level with its 4x4 systems. The Command Track is a part-time 4x4 configuration that allows the driver to switch between drive modes on the fly. For extreme conditions, there's the Rock Track system, standard on the Rubicon. The Select Track is an automated setup that adjusts the drive depending on road and weather conditions. Let's not forget that you can enhance the experience by choosing between 2 and 4-door cabins. Additionally, when the weather allows, you can remove the top. Not many other vehicles offer this feature. Skid plates protect the body and extend the lifespan of the Wrangler SUV. Competition. You can find only a few alternatives to the 2025 Jeep Wrangler when it comes to off-roading, but Jeep's SUV is an undisputed leader in the segment. People also love the Toyota 4Runner with the TRD Pro package. Still, this vehicle doesn't offer many things you can find on the Wrangler, such as a two-door layout and an open top. The Ford Bronco, on the other hand, is pretty similar with these features. There are also tons of options, different engines, and the Raptor model is the most impressive configuration. But Ford still needs to build up the reputation of the new Bronco, which debuted in 2022 after a 25-year hiatus. Other vehicles are not worthy of comparison. Dimensions. The off-road experience can heavily depend on the layout you choose. A two-door model is shorter and more agile, with a body length of 169 inches. You'll want this one for tighter spaces and rockier terrain. The four-door SUV is 189 inches long, and you'll appreciate it more in open areas and for overlanding. The height and width are the same for both, but the larger Unlimited version weighs 1,100 pounds more. Aftermarket upgrades. The vehicle comes out with a wide choice list, but it is also the SUV with the most mods available in the aftermarket. Lift kits are always popular, allowing you to raise the body by 2 to 6 inches depending on the type of the kit you choose. All-terrain tires are standard, but you can boost the performance by selecting a rubber for specific conditions such as mud or sand. Special lights can improve both safety and the appearance of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Additionally, floor mats and liners, roof racks, and custom cargo boxes and carriers are available. It is worth noting that by enhancing performance with features like cold air intakes and performance exhaust, you may lose the warranty on your Wrangler. Revisited styling. The Wrangler for the upcoming season is not introducing radical changes. Its design is nearly perfect, as reflected in strong sales. The iconic 7-slot grille and round headlights are the highlights of the front fascia, while the boxy look adds boldness to its appearance. However, the shape doesn't enhance aerodynamics, though it does offer good visibility and maximizes your interior space. To reduce wind noise, the roofline and windshield angles need to be reshaped. There are tons of options available to customize the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. For the upcoming model, the company will update the color palette, offering basic shades like black and white along with unique paint jobs. Even without aftermarket upgrades, buyers can purchase decals, special graphics for the hood, or badges that'll show off-road capability. Probably the coolest feature is the ability to remove doors and the roof, creating an open-air ambiance. Buyers can even fold down the windshield, which is a rare feature in high-selling SUVs today. Roof options include hard and soft tops, and optionally, rock rails and fender flares can enhance the Wrangler's appearance. Trim levels. The offer starts with the Sport model, which is a really basic configuration without too many goodies. Still, there are fog lights, tow hooks, and a large 12.3-inch touchscreen as the center of Uconnect infotainment system. The Sport S adds alloy wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and more optional upgrades. This trim level balances between utility and advanced convenience. From there, you're stepping into off-road realm with the Wrangler Sahara. Full-time four-wheel drive is standard, as well as fender flares, and there are some convenience upgrades, such as a heated steering wheel. The Sahara model is more suitable for desert and sand conditions, but if you want a versatile off-roader, the Rubicon is the best choice. Not only in the Wrangler's lineup, but in the entire segment. Optionally, the Rubicon X further enhances the driving experience with both off-road goodies and luxury amenities. The V8 is gone, but the Rubicon 392 might be back with a twin-turbo i6 engine, or a package centered around this engine could bear a different name. Price. The price of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler will stay put since there are no big changes. The MSRP kicks off at $32,000 if you opt for a two-door version. A larger four-door variant is a $4,500 upgrade. The $50,000 price tag splits two Rubicon editions. A shorter model is under, while the extended is above. The Sahara is available only for a four-door layout. The Rubicon X is above $60,000, and the i6 engine will make the Wrangler a premium SUV that costs $100,000 and more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.